Hey there! Welcome to Ra's Peak Minds. Today's lesson is about animal idioms. An idiom is a phrase that, when taken as a whole, has a meaning you wouldn't be able to deduce from the meanings of the individual words. Animal idioms. Busy as a bee. Extremely busy. Example: my son is working on a project and he's busy as a bee. At a snail's pace. Moving very slowly. Example: traffic is moving at a snail's pace. Open a can of worms. Creating a whole new set of problems. Example: you've opened a real can of worms here. Straight from the horse's mouth. Information's coming from the most reliable source. Example: I got the news straight from horse's mouth. The CEO himself confirmed. Watching like a hawk. Watching something very closely. Example: the boss watches us like a hawk. Mad as a hornet. Very angry or furious. Example: Mom was mad as a hornet when we broke the mirror. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and put a thumbs up. Until we meet again with another video. It's bye from me.